excuse me, this money comes from, basically this money comes from government agriculture. So when government agriculture will be done, we need people. So beggar class, poor class, lower middle class, each and every people, even rich class wants to come, or politician class wants to come and work in the government farming, or government irrigation, or government fisheries, or government iron making companies, or government petroleum making companies, or military, or police, or private police, but private should be converted into government police. So the thing is that everywhere government should give the jobs across India and across world to each and every beggar, each and every poor, each and every lower middle class. So on these classes and masses, everybody will get the job of rupees 25,000 in India. So the thing is that nobody will become now beggar, nobody will be having, that is, nobody is going to be like not having a house. Government can provide the house also, and this money will be coming from the government farming. Once the people will grow tomatoes, potatoes, brinjals, onions, wheat, rice, cabbage, pulses, trees to get the wood, so such things, flowers, everything they will grow and sell it in the market of world, collect the money out of that. Officially whatever the parliamentarian wants, that money will go to parliamentarian. Officially the money, 10 times hike money to be given to the government officers, existing one, and the new government officers will get 25,000 plus house. So yet money will be saved, because ample of Indian land will give you the growth of government farming.